Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You will start by preparing the device and taking the first steps immediately. Make sure the phone is charged and you know your lock PIN or biometrics. Open Settings, scroll to About Phone or Software Information, and find Build Number. Tap Build Number 7 times in succession. You'll see a visual countdown or a message saying you are X steps from being a developer. Once done, enter your device PIN when prompted so the change is authenticated and saved. Once Developer Options is revealed, navigate back to Settings and locate it, often under System or Advanced. You should see a master toggle. Switch Developer Options on to expose the full list. You'll encounter many settings, so enable only what you need. If you require Android Debug Bridge, enable USB debugging and accept the security prompt that warns about granting debug access. Make sure to allow debugging only for trusted computers. This protects your device. Finish by adjusting specific developer toggles you need. Animation scales for testing speed, OEM unlocking if flashing firmware, or background process limits for performance profiling. After you complete tasks, revoke USB debugging authorizations and toggle developer options off to hide advanced controls. If a setting is missing or developer options didn't appear, reboot the device and check for system updates. Failing that, make sure you tap the actual build number, not kernel or model. This restart often resolves visibility glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.